Hello! Today I will teach you how to upgrade the FordFocus. This is its original central control. First we need to remove the screw holes at the bottom and the protective cover. Then we loosen these two screws. Then we remove the entire button panel. Then we unplug the button panel on its plug. We can see the screen and the main board together. It is fixed by 4 screws. We need to unscrew them all. After unscrewing, we take it off together. Unplug all the plugs on its back. Now we will remove 2 air outlets and remove them. After all the screws are removed, it will look like this. Now we will install the matching plastic to the back of our new screen. There are 4 screws in total. Then we will install the 2 removed air outlets to the back of our new screen. It looks like this after installation. Now we connect it, the power cable of the new screen. This is the canvas box. Then connect the new power adapter to the plug of the original car. Then connect the original power supply plug. This is the protocol plug. We also connect it. Now let's demonstrate the wiring on the back of the new screen. This is RCA cable. This is the video output cable. These are 2 USB cables. If it is actually installed in the car, it needs to be routed to the storage box. This is just a demonstration. This is the radio antenna. This is the GPS antenna. If it's installed in a car, it needs to be routed to the pillar. This is the 4 antenna. It also has 2. If it is actually installed in the car, it also needs to be wired. Then we connect the other end of the radio antenna to the original radio head. Then connect the button serial port on the new power cord to the back of our new screen. Connect the communication serial port on the power cord. This is the reversing video output on the new power cable. Let's connect it. Then we connect the original button panel plug. Finally, we connect the screen power plug. After all connections are made, we use the removed screws to fix it. Then install the original screw hole protection panel. After installation, it will look like this. Because this car has a protocol, we need to set it up. We enter settings and open the factory settings. Select protocol and settings. Select the corresponding protocol brand. Click OK. Note that the first time you need to connect to the network, you can turn on a hotspot on your phone. Now the buttons below cannot be used directly. We need to enter settings. Select key learning. Select the corresponding icon. Then we long press the corresponding button to learn successfully. After the settings are completed, we will briefly demonstrate the functions. This is the radio. This is DSP. You can adjust the sound tone, and choose the size of the car horn separately. You can watch local or online videos. It can synchronize the original car data of the air conditioner, Bluetooth phone, and you can answer or hang up with the steering wheel buttons. It supports map navigation. You can also download other navigation software. It supports Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. You can use the voice assistant to make calls here, listen to music, use map navigation, and so on. There are many functions. Okay, that's all for the video. If you want to watch more CarUpgrade videos, please follow our channel.